Hi everyone, my name is Marigold and let's talk about actually why AWS certifications or why certifications are needed in general. So as you guys know, like this cloud industry, the DevOps industry is growing faster and faster and faster, and the demand is growing a lot. So AWS certifications have been very helpful for many of the people in this DevOps field just to get the understanding of it at a large and actually get to know some theory knowledge about it, but not only that, also get the gist of what AWS is, how it works, and what are all of its resources and stuff inside it. So AWS certifications are not a proof of experience, but they are actually a proof of knowledge. So if you do give an AWS certification and you pass it, that kind of proves that you have the enough amount of AWS knowledge and theory knowledge to actually understand what AWS is. I won't say that if you take the certification, you also have the hands-on practice. No, because hands-on practice and theory is totally different. If you do understand what the concept is of one thing inside of AWS, for example, you do know what an S3 bucket is and you do know what it does, but until and unless you haven't actually went into the AWS console, you haven't actually created an S3 bucket, you haven't actually created an object inside an S3 bucket or moved things around it, like just take a look at its different storage types and different things inside it. That's what you call hands-on practice. So those two are totally different things, theory and hands-on practice. And the certifications, they give you the proof of knowledge, the proof of theory that you do have that. And if you do have the theory, you can easily also implement it into the hands-on practice. So if you pass the certification, that kind of assures you that you have the good theory, and now you can actually go on and move and have the actual hands-on skills too. So the AWS certifications that you take, and if you pass them and you have the AWS certification in your hand, that kind of gives a proof that you're valuable enough to know about AWS and have worked in AWS. So for example, you go to an interview and you have a resume, and on your resume it says that you have passed one AWS certification. So that gives the other person reading your resume really a nice gesture in your way, that you have proved it, that you have AWS certification and that you're valuable enough to get a job, for example. So AWS certifications are very valuable in that, and especially also in interview processes, because if, for example, there's one candidate for a DevOps engineer job and there's another candidate for a DevOps engineer job, and if one of the candidates has an AWS certification and the other one does not, and for example, you bring both of their resumes to a hiring manager for a DevOps engineer position. So the hiring manager, looking at the two resumes for the two candidates, would probably prefer the one with the AWS certification, because that proves that that person has shown that he or she or whoever it is has proven that they have the valuable skills for AWS and the actual theory knowledge. And if you have more projects on your resume and if you have more experience on your resume with AWS, that will prove more valuable. So again, with certifications, the hands-on practice is also very valuable. So there are total 4 experience leveled certifications and total of 11 certifications in AWS. So the 4 experience levels are foundational, associate, professional, and then we also have the specialty ones. So these are the 4 different levels of knowledge and you can say expertise for these 11 certifications. So the 11 certifications that we have are, the first one is AWS Cloud Practitioner, which is the foundational level. Then comes the associate level, which has 3 certifications. So the first one is the Developer Associate, then we have the SysOps Administrator Associate, and the third one is the Solutions Architect Associate. So these are the associate level ones. Then comes the professional level certifications, which include the DevOps Engineer Professional and the Solutions Architect Professional. And once you get done with the professional level, then comes the specialty level, which include the Advanced Networking Specialty Exam, the Machine Learning Specialty Exam. We also have the Security Specialty Exam. Then we have the Data Analytics Specialty Exam, and then we also have the Database Specialty Exam. So a total of 11 certifications, and these certifications at large are very valuable for you, for your resumes, for your experience, for your career growth, for your own profiles in this field. So AWS certifications are like really good. If you guys want to take, if you guys are thinking of taking an AWS certification, go ahead and according to your expertise in the and according to your position in AWS, try taking the certification because they do prove very valuable. This will be the end of the video. I hope you guys liked watching it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment down below. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to our channel. We have a lot of hands-on videos and courses, full courses on YouTube, which are free for you guys if you guys want to start off with AWS certifications. We also have them on Udemy and even on our website, which is ClayDesk.com. So go check them out and feel free to comment down below anything. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and I will be there to answer them for you guys. And yeah, this will be the end of the video. Hope you guys liked it and thank you for watching.